Hi, so today I'll be showing you this product I got on Amazon. It's a LED rechargeable compact mirror. So let's open it. Here's the little baby. So here it is. It comes with, it has the charger. Naomi. So it comes with a charger and then there's, I think this is a bag. Let's open it. Can you pull it, Naomi? Pull the bag out. Gentle. Gentle. Pull both. Okay, so we're gonna open it. That's a nice bag. It's thick. Hold on. Okay,
I'll show it to them.
Okay, I'll show it to them. Okay, open it. Come on.
Get out.
Get it out. Guess what color it is? It's my favorite color.
Gray.
No, it's not. It's
Blue.
It's mint. This is called the. Oh, let me see. Hold on. Let's read them the box first. It's called the brand is Show, and here are the features. It comes with, what's this? It's a natural lighting system. It has a high definition glass, dimmable, portable, and it has some.
Open it, Naomi. Open it.
Hold on, sorry.
Mom, can you hold the baby? Open it.
Hold on. It's the accessory cable. There's a manual and dimmable. This is the box, and this is the. Hey, wait, careful. See, this is a compact mirror I got. It's called a Show. And we're gonna open it. Let's see. It's magnetic too, so hold on. So see, there's a magnet.
Is it kind of button?
This is a magnet on the top and then on the bottom, and there's a So there's the mirror. I don't know why it's blurry, but whoops. So there's the mirror. There's me videoing it. So here's this is the power button. So I think you just have to press it. Let me see.
No, Mom, the bottom and the bottom, Mom.
Is there a button?
Yeah, it's right here.
No, that's the magnet. Let me check out. Let's try the button. I'm gonna press this button. There you go. Wow, cool. Let me see. Show me. Look at your face. That is cool.
Ah, here's the baby. I need to check out.
So that is the mirror, and that's very nice. Okay, press the button back.
No, you have like this.
Press the button. There you go. And it's the wait. Let me try the dimmable thing. It says if you like. Let me see. Hold on. How do you do that? There's no instructions, so I have to figure it out. See, there's a. You can dim it. Let me see. Shut it.
Like this, Mom?
I think you long press it and it dims.
Wow! Ooh. Put on the bracelet.
Turn on.
Too big.
If you long press it, it dims. See, it dims if you long press it. And then you long press it, it brightens again. And then,
Can I try?
Okay. So here's our shallow. Here's our shallow trying it out. Come on. You can see it shallow. Press it properly. There you go. And long press it. There you go. It dims and it brightens. Here.
Look at myself.
Okay. So that's all. You can try it out. It's on Amazon. Bye.